Hello, Judd here. Haven't done a cooking with Judd for a long time. I'm not doing one now, but I'm doing an abbreviated one. I found a recipe on the internet to make a cake because I want to make one from scratch. So here's the recipe. I use gluten-free flour, of course, because I have to be gluten-free. And I mixed it all up and blah, 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 blah. It's fairly thick. Anyways, there it is in the pan. I'm about to put it in the oven at 350 for 50 to 55 minutes. I'm going to go a little lighter on this one because this is a small toaster oven and it tends to overcook things because of its small size. So I'm going to start with 45 minutes and then we'll see how it does. And I'll show you at the end how it does. I think you know how to mix things together in a bowl. I don't need to show you that. Okay. Oh, that's hot. Just a couple of notes. I added the chocolate chips of my own free will. I always do. And I used lemon juice instead of vinegar. You were given a choice. I went with the lemon juice. Oh, and one more thing. This took more vanilla than I've ever used in my life in one recipe. They wanted a full tablespoon, which totally wiped out a small bottle that somebody had given me, homemade vanilla, fantastic stuff. So I totally wiped that out and I had to put a little of the commercial vanilla in there. Okay, 45 minutes is done. Let's see what this baby looks like. And I'll tell you right now, that looks underdone to me. Still wobbling? No, not wobbling. Okay, toothpick. And the old shoot with one hand and test with the other. Ooh. What do you think? I think that looks pretty good. Okay. Smells a bit strange. I think we'll accept that as a done. Let that cool down. I'm not even sure what this is. I don't know if it's cake or cookie bars or whatever. I mean, it's just a recipe I saved a long time ago. So we'll find out. I think it's a cake. I'm pretty sure it's a cake. Not certain. Okay, let's take a look at this thing. I've already cut one and it was kind of hard to cut. And once again, you can see I've got that, I don't know, differently cooked bottom piece. It looks like it's not really cooked down there. I'm not sure. Or it's overcooked. Or ingredients separated. I don't know what's going on. But it does seem more like a cookie bar or halfway between a cookie bar and a cake. So let's see what it is. Yeah, the bottom layer was definitely tough. And frankly, the thing's not got a lot of taste. Got a nice chew. Well, edible, but nothing particularly great about it. Well, there you go. I got a snack anyway. I won't be doing this like this again. Happy day, Okay, just as a test, I put a piece of this back in for another 10 minutes. And because I got the feeling maybe it's supposed to be a cookie bar. As you can see, again, it's cooked unevenly. But I don't dare leave it in there any longer. I'm just going to go to flat out burn. So we'll let that cool down a bit and then give it a shot. See if that's any better. Let's see what we got here. This one definitely has more chocolate chips. Yeah, you know, it's better as a cookie. Maybe I'll put the rest of it back in there and crisp it up. Yeah, that is better. Okay, I'm going to stick the rest of it back in there and cook it up more. And never do this again. Happy day to you.